At ang pilgrimage ay isang magandang practice kapag panahon ng Kwaresma. Ang pilgrimage ay isang banal na paglalakbay. Hindi lang simpleng paglalakbay, hindi lamang simpleng pasyal, kundi banal na paglalakbay, pilgrimage.
Hindi natin mapaghihiwalay ang pag-ibig sa sakripisyo. Kaya nga tayo mayroong Kwaresma. Kaya may mahal na araw dahil may Diyos na nagmahal at nag-alay ng buhay ng kanyang bugtong na anak para sa atin.
At the sunset of our lives, we know it is not money that will be asked of us. It is not the popularity of the elections, of the polls, of the surveys, of the contests, of the pageants, of the Olympic Games that we win. At the sunset of our lives, it is not about what other people say that should matter. At the sunset of our lives, St. John of the Cross said, we will only be judged according to love.